Hey there, food lovers. Today, I want to introduce you to a game-changing kitchen appliance that will take your cooking to the next level. Meet the Ninja DT251 Foodi 10-in-1 Smart XL Air Fry Oven. This bad boy is not your average toaster oven. Oh, no, it's so much more than that. Whether you're a busy parent looking to whip up quick and easy meals for your family, a budding chef wanting to experiment with new recipes, or just someone who loves good food, this Ninja Air Fry Oven is for you. With its 10-in-1 functionality, the possibilities are endless. Let's talk about some of the key benefits and features of this beast. First off, it's a powerful air fryer that can crisp up your favorite snacks and meals without all the excess oil. Say goodbye to greasy, unhealthy fried food. The Ninja Air Fry Oven gives you that crispy texture you love without all the guilt. But that's not all. This oven can also bake, broil, toast, roast, and so much more. It even comes with a built-in thermometer to ensure your dishes are cooked to perfection every time. And with its true surround convection technology, you can achieve that perfect golden brown crust on your pizzas, casseroles, and more. Now, let's talk about some real-life scenarios where this Ninja Air Fry Oven can come in handy. Imagine coming home after a long day at work and being able to whip up a delicious meal in no time. With the Ninja Air Fry Oven, you can roast a whole chicken, bake a batch of cookies, or even make a crispy grilled cheese sandwich with just the touch of a button. And if you're someone who loves hosting dinner parties or family gatherings, this oven is a game changer. You can easily whip up multiple dishes at once with its 6 trays, saving you time and effort in the kitchen. Your guests will be blown away by the delicious meals you can create with this versatile appliance. Now, I know you might be thinking, but how does the Ninja Air Fry Oven stack up against other similar products on the market? Well, let me tell you, this bad boy is in a league of its own. With its sleek design, intuitive controls, and unmatched versatility, it's a no-brainer choice for anyone looking to up their cooking game. Before I wrap things up, let me leave you with a few tips for using your Ninja Air Fry Oven to its full potential. Make sure to preheat the oven before cooking for optimal results, and don't be afraid to experiment with different recipes and cooking techniques. And most importantly, have fun in the kitchen and let your creativity shine through. So, what are you waiting for? Upgrade your cooking game with the Ninja DT251 Foodi 10-in-1 Smart XL Air Fry Oven today and get ready to impress your taste buds like never before. Trust me, you won't regret it. Thanks for tuning in, foodies. Click the link below to order your Ninja Air Fry Oven now and start cooking up a storm. Happy cooking!